Cambria. Cambria, what did you do? So what happens when Mommy's not paying attention? Uh-oh. No, come here. Cambria, come here. Cambria.
Spreading it everywhere.
Cambria. Cambria, go clean up your mess. Go clean up your mess. Go clean up your mess. Cambria. Look at that messy face. Come here. Let's go clean. You're gonna help me vacuum? Do you want to do that? You need to take a bath? Just show off that messy face.
You're gonna have her walk through it again?
No, don't walk through it.
Cambria.
Don't walk through it. Yeah, that's your mess. That's your mess. Let's clean it up, okay? Silly girl.